Hello, this is a demonstration on how to integrate a virtual agent into Canvas. So I have already added the virtual agent app to the course module. So if you go to app configurations here, you can see that already a VIP LTI provider app is added. This allows us to integrate a virtual agent into into the course. So to add virtual agent into the module, go to the modules, um, to add an external tool, click on the plus sign and then select external tool and select the VIP LTI provider app. This will provide a new section here and publish this module. Now I'm going to show you how to access this app via a student profile. So this is a student profile that I have created for testing this app. Here, if you refresh the page, you'll see that the app is published here. When the student clicks on the app, you'll see that a message is shown to user. Here the username is Gambo and user name is retrieved from the canvas using the LTI framework. And if your user wants to interact with the virtual agent, you can click on interact with Amara. This loads a interaction page where virtual agent automatically loads onto the canvas module. So once the virtual agent start loads, you can click on start conversation.
Hi, my name's Skylar. I am your virtual assistant, designed especially for you. Nice to meet you.
User can continue interacting with the virtual agent.
Great. Thank you for agreeing to participate in the research study. I'm glad to meet you. Keep in mind that I'm just a computer character with limited capabilities, so I hope you'll understand if there are some things I can't help you with. So, how do you feel about talking to a computer character? That's great. I love talking to people too. We will make a good team. Since I am designed especially for you, would you like to give me a new name? All right. What would you like to call me then? Thanks for giving me such a nice name. Okay. Let's get to know each other a bit. I am a virtual assistant designed by researchers in Florida. What do you do? And where are you from? Okay. What do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? Interesting. As an assistant, I love talking to people. I have spoken to so many people in the past week. What have you been busy with in the last week? I see. So, how is this coronavirus pandemic treating you? Viruses have been bad for computers too. This pandemic has caused immense changes in the way people function and interact with others on an everyday basis. This is an unusual period, and feeling stressed, anxious, and uncertain is a very common and natural response. Alright, I'm here to help you learn a new technique to have good mental health. Before we begin, I would like to know your thoughts on mental health. Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Let's see if we think the same way. Do you think mental health is important at every stage of life? I think that way too. Do you think it is important to take steps to ensure good mental health? We have very similar thoughts. I am delighted to know that we both think the same way. There are certain things we all can do to help ourselves to ensure good mental health. Have you taken any steps to maintain good mental health? Thank you for the information. I love learning new things, and I think you might too. Today, I will be assisting you in learning a new technique to help you in improving your mental well-being. One way to have good mental health is by practicing gratitude journaling. Do you know what gratitude journaling is? No problem. I am here to assist you in practicing gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is writing things about experiences for which you are grateful about. For example, as a virtual assistant, I enjoy and feel grateful for helping you maintain good mental health. Have you practiced gratitude journaling before? As your personal assistant, I would like you to practice gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling can lead to more happiness and higher general life satisfaction. It makes you feel better when you are thinking about all the gifts and wonderful people you have in your life. I can help you practice gratitude journaling. Practicing gratitude journaling for 2 or 3 times a week can have profound positive effects on your mental well-being. As your personal assistant, I want to do everything in my capabilities to help you succeed. Let's work together as companions to maintain a gratitude journal for the next week to realize its positive effects. I think if we do this together, practicing gratitude journaling would be one of the easiest and useful things we can do together to have good mental health. It is recommended to practice gratitude journaling 2 to 3 times per week. I will be sending you a link to your email address where you can practice gratitude journaling for the next week. That's all the information I have for today. Before we end our conversation, how was your overall experience of talking with me today? Thank you. Bye.